Ryan, let's go. Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing this look. This look was inspired by a picture I saw on Instagram I've been having saved in my phone. This was done by the makeup artist Morgan_Martini. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it will be on the screen. When I saw this look, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I have to try and do my version of it. So this is my version and my take on this look. I feel like this look is super editorial. I'm all about that, and I love just playing in colors and makeup. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Let's get into how I created this super editorial hella blush look. Alright, eyebrows are already done, so we're going to prime the face with the Catrice Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner. Y'all know this has been my go-to, so we using it. Then for foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation because I wanted a full coverage matte look. And I'm just going to start off by working this in sections because this product does dry down really fast. So I like to do it in sections so I can control it easier, if that makes sense. Then for our concealer, I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm going to use this to get rid of my dark circles and also any darkness that may be on my face. To contour, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Stick Foundation, and I'm just going to contour all of the normal areas of my face that I always do. For our highlight, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I promise y'all in the next video I'm going to switch up the concealers because I've been using this like in every single video, but this is like my go-to. But I promise y'all I'm going to switch it up on y'all. To set that contour in place, I'll be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, using the shades Contour and Sculpt, and I'm just going to set that in place. Make sure it doesn't move throughout the day. I'm going to use the NYX HD Finishing Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to set that under my eye. This is a new product. This was my first time using it, so I used it to set under my eye, and it just was amazing. It made my eyes look really awake, as you can see here, really bright. I love it so much. So the main product we're going to be using on our eyes is going to be the e.l.f. Blush Palette. Excuse my voice, still recovering from a cold. And this is in the shade Dark, and I'm mainly going to be focusing on this because it has all of these great nice berry pinky tones. So we're gonna just start with this. First I'm gonna start out by dipping into this color right here. This is kind of like a berry color, and I'm gonna put that into my crease, bring it up toward my brow bone and into my inner corner. Okay, so then on the lid I'm gonna go in with this color right here. As you can see, it has like a little bit of sparkles in it, but it's like a dark, like a burnt peach color. So I'm going to go into there with that same blending brush, but I'm going to sweep this over the lid. I'm also going to take that shade we first put down in the crease. I'm going to take this and blend this into my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to take a brown eyeliner and just line the top of my eyelids with it. Okay, so now I'm going to take a nude eyeliner and I'm going to put that into my waterline. And that's just going to add a little bit more awakeness to our eyes and draw a little bit more attention to that part of our eyes. Okay, so going back into that e.l.f. blush palette, I'm first going to take this shade right here. I'm going to start where I contoured my face at. So I'm just going to start building up that color right there. And I'm going to start taking that color higher. So now I'm going to dip into this super bright pink color. And I'm going to focus that more on this inner portion here. And just blend it back. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit. And I'm going to take this shade called Spectra. And this is a pink shimmery color. And I'm just going to kind of put this on a little bit in certain areas. Just to add like a little glisten glow into the mix. And a little bit more purple into the mix. See what that did? It just kind of gave it a little bit more glow. So I'm also going to take my baking powder and I'm just going to grab that on a sponge and just kind of cut this right here just to make the blush stand out a little bit more. So then I'm going to go in with my Pixie and Dulce Candy Cafe Con Dulce palette, and I'm looking at all of the shades in the middle because they're all pinky shades. So I'm just going to take my highlight brush and just dip into all of these and just kind of go where I would normally highlight at. Now I'm going back into the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to take the shade Lyra and put it in my inner corner as a highlight. So now I'm just going to put on mascara really quick using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Okay, so now we're going to do the lips. So we're going to make them nice and juicy. So I'm going to first line my lips with the NYX Espresso Lip Liner. Same old, y'all already know. Then for lip gloss, we're going to be going into the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. Blending that lip liner in as we put this on. Juicy. So I'm actually living for how this look came out. To set all of our hard work in place, I'm going to take my ColourPop All-Star Face Setting Spray. I'm going to throw on some earrings really quick. Alright, so here we go. This is the finished look. I really like how this look came out. You guys have to let me know down in the comments. How do you like it? I was really inspired when I saw this picture. This is probably one of my favorite looks I've done thus far. I'm like super into it, super feeling it. Also, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.